So how can you zoom in on the notes through the iPad? Let's talk about it. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, the Notes app from Apple doesn't have like a built-in zooming tool, so we need to have some sort of workaround ready. First of all, if you have your regular text typed in, you can select it all like that. Then a couple of options are going to appear, so you can tap on the formatting, and you can turn it from the regular text to the title, right? Or make it heading or subheading. So if you have it as a body, it's not going to be as visible or as zoomed in. So you can just turn it into a subheading or even heading. Title, I mean, it's not ideal to have the whole text as a title, but yeah, it can bump up the text size if you needed that, right? So that would make sense. Also, if you want to like zoom in and only focus on your note, make sure you go to the full screen mode like that, so the sidebar completely disappears. So that's one of the ways. Outside of that, you can open up the settings app, go to the display and brightness, and make sure that you bump up the text size as well, which should appear inside and across your entire iPad. So it's going to zoom in on every single piece of text, making it much easier to read and also like a lot larger generally. And last but not least, we have the zoom feature, which is part of the accessibility. And this basically lets you, when you have it turned on, lets you triple click on the screen like that, and you can zoom in on anything you want, right? So it's not specific to just the notes, but you can zoom in like that to literally any part of your iPad. And outside of that, if you don't like the way that it works inside of the Apple Notes, you can explore some third-party options as well. Or even from Apple, we have the Freeform app, which lets you zoom in infinitely, like that's the whole point of the app. So perhaps explore that application if you feel like it would serve your needs better. But that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.